Cloudfy isn't just a platform, it's a promise. We listen, adapt, and act quickly, so your business moves forward. Stockouts, overstock, and slow fulfillment cost time and trust. Cloudfy makes inventory and logistics simple, smart, and fast. Built for manufacturing, wholesale distribution, healthcare, food and beverage, industrial supply, and technology. Cloudfy gives you clarity and control with tools built for B2B, inventory indicators, back orders, serialized tracking, analytics, and customer alerts, all in one platform. Show real-time stock with customizable traffic light indicators. Adjust counts, set thresholds, and enable back orders with automated notifications. Track every item with serialized inventory for full traceability. Make smarter decisions with dashboards integrated with Google Analytics and Microsoft Power BI. Help customers find products fast with predictive search and filtering. And delight buyers with instant back-in-stock alerts via our ordering app. Tailored visibility, real-time updates, faster fulfillment, a better B2B experience, and a competitive edge. Trusted across manufacturing, distribution, healthcare, food and beverage, industrial supply, and technology, and recognized as an award-winning B2B e-commerce platform. Are you ready to transform inventory and logistics? To know more, book a demo today.